Hallo zusammen, ich begrüße euch nochmal bei Language Please. Heute sprechen wir über die deutsche Satzzeichen. Und sagen wir mal einfach die Satzzeichen im Deutschen. Today, I want to say you're welcome, and today we are talking about the punctuation marks, of course, in German. And we're going to go straight on to the punctuation marks that we have in the German language. Some of them sounds like English, but some of them sounds a bit different. But let's see how far we can go. So the first one is der Punkt. Der Punkt. I hope you remember, whenever you are writing a noun, you write it with initial capital letter. That's why this one is capital. Der Punkt. And how do I describe that Punkt? Of course, just like this. That's the point. And then I give a word to describe that, or a website to describe how to pronounce der Punkt. Okay? So we have okay, so let's pronounce this one together. Listen to me, remember. I hope you remember to pronounce this one. Yeah? During the alphabet lesson, this is www.languageplace.net. I say it again, www.languageplace.net. Okay? And of course, this is the same punkt that is used when you write a sentence and you want to end the sentence. So, der Punkt. Of course, because we are learning about this, that's why we put the article. When you are using it, just as we have just done now, you don't actually need to put the article. So the second one, we go straight to the second one, which is das Fragezeichen. Das Fragezeichen. Okay, what exactly is this one? Das Fragezeichen. Das Fragezeichen is question mark. Question mark. Das Fragezeichen. And that is question mark. Hold on. Das Fragezeichen is question mark. Okay, so we have das Fragezeichen, and that is question mark. Any question, for instance, I give an example. Let me represent it here first. Fragezeichen. And then I give an example. Was ist los? So you are going to say it after me. Was ist los? Was ist los? It simply means, what's happening? What's wrong? What's happening? Was ist los? Was ist los? And then we see the sign there, das Fragezeichen. Then we go to the next one, which is das Ausrufezeichen. The third one, das Ausrufe. Das Ausrufezeichen. And I represent it. This is the sign. This is the sign, okay? Das Ausrufezeichen. And that is an exclamation. Exclamation. I give an example, interesting example. And that's what people do when there is a problem. You shout, Hilfe! Hilfe! Yeah? In English it means help! And then the sign is there. Das Ausrufezeichen. Okay, then that takes us to the next one, and that is das Komma. Das Komma. That sounds more like English, and I believe it's easier to understand. Das Komma. Das Komma. Okay? How do we represent that? We represent that just with this. Das Komma. Das Komma. Okay? And I give an example as usual. Das Komma. We give an example. Let's give an example with the verb that what we have been using to describe what we like. my hobby. What are my hobbies? And the answer is meine Hobbys sind, and then you begin to name them. I give an example now. Okay, and then meine Hobby, meine Hobbys sind, and then number 1, lesen, Komma, reisen und schlafen. Okay? Now, meine Hobbys sind, my hobbies are reading, Komma, and that's the comma we are talking about, reisen und schlafen. So my hobbies are reading, traveling, and sleeping. Maybe that's your hobbies too. I don't know. Maybe those are the hobbies you have too. Okay, these are just examples. So we have number 1. We're going to pronounce them again. Der Punkt. Der Punkt. Number 2. Das Fragezeichen. Das Fragezeichen. Das Fragezeichen. Number 3. We have das Ausrufezeichen. Das Ausrufezeichen. And then the last one, das Komma. Okay? And then the examples, just the way we have them on the board. So, and that takes us to the next one. This is the 4th one. We go straight away to the 5th one now.